Detox drink is getting popular as a magic drink that can keep your body away from the toxin and clean the body from inside. You can either buy detox drink from the market or make your own at home. Detox drink are a combination of water, nutrient and flavors. Add different kind of fruits, vegetables, spices or herbs to the water, or make a simple fruit juice smoothie or coconut water infused with some herbs, or just a simple green tea with certain spices. All of these drinks are defined as detox drinks. I'm sure you must have heard about detox drink, but a question that comes along is, do really detox drink work? Do they really remove the toxin and clean our body from inside? Hello everyone, welcome to All Light Food, and in this video we will talk about detox drinks, and for the details we will have to find a few answers to a few questions. So keep watching the video. Toxins are harmful substances found in the atmosphere, plants and animals. They can be produced within living cells or synthetic toxicant made by an artificial process, like certain chemicals. These toxins are harmful to humans and can negatively affect the body. Over the time, toxins can damage the enzymes, lower the protection against oxidative stress and decrease normal body function, leading to cancer. And when it comes to detox drinks or diet, it focuses on detoxifying the body from air pollutants, heavy metals, certain chemicals and highly processed food. All these toxins are present in the atmosphere and the food we consume. For example, mercury in the fish, or BPA, or the bisphenol A, which is a chemical found in plastic containers or can in which the food is stored. Then Teflon, used to coat the non-stick cookwares. Then the grilled red meat that can release the free radicals, which can cause early aging. So there are three ways the toxin can enter the body: the inhalation, the ingestion and the skin absorption. Certain chemicals and metals from the air, food and drink can enter the body through the nose while breathing or the mouth while consuming them. When we eat food, they travel down to the stomach, then to the intestine, where these chemicals can get absorbed with other nutrients and get into the bloodstream and travel to different parts of the body. Though the intestine filters a few toxins, the rest travel in the blood to be get filtered in the next stage. The toxin can build up in the body over time. It is difficult to diagnose the toxins in the body without a test. If exposed to any toxic chemical or heavy metal, then one should consult the healthcare provider immediately. But high amount of toxins in the body can cause poor circulation, digestive problems, bad breath, anxiety, depression, skin problem, early aging, muscle ache, joint pain, lack of energy, fatigue, hair fall, obesity, congestion, increased mucus. Well, the body is well designed to clean and detoxify itself. Detoxification is a natural process the body conducts to keep itself safe and healthy. There are three detoxifying organs in the body. The liver, which is considered as the primary detoxifying organ in the body. The liver filters the toxins with the cells lined within it. These cells engulf, digest and excrete the toxins. Then the kidneys. Kidneys are also essential to remove the toxins from the body. The kidneys take a few steps to filter the toxin and remove them out of the body through the urine. Even the lungs also filter the harmful substances present in the atmosphere and the toxins from the cigarette smoke. So the detox drinks are not scientifically proven that they can really detox the body, as our body is well capable of detoxifying itself. It is a natural process of the body to keep us healthy and away from harmful toxins. But as I said earlier, excess toxins in our body can cause health issues. So keeping ourselves healthy is essential. Well, the detox drink may not participate in an active cleaning process of the body, but it can definitely keep you healthy and support the immune system to fight the harmful toxins. Homemade detox drink or any healthy drink are more beneficial for the body, promoting overall health. The detox drink are same as low calorie healthy drinks. Do not take it as a fasting diet. Drinking only juice can be harmful for the body. Try to avoid commercially available detox drink from the market. Instead, make your own at home. And consult with your doctor before going on a diet change. Having juice, sugar-free smoothies, fruits, vegetables is always good for health. Eating healthy, balanced, and exercising is the best way to keep yourself fit and detoxified. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay healthy. And for food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.allightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.